La Seine X comes in an elegantly designed colour box. Once you open it, you'll find two full layers of carefully arranged accessories, along with a beautifully crafted La Seine X Espresso Machine. Let's take a closer look. Included are a naked portafilter, a large cleaning brush, a dosing ring, single and double filter baskets, a WDT tool, a triple hole steam tip, a dispersion screw, water tank inlet filter, steam wand gasket, group head silicone ring, water tank seal, a film application kit, screen protector, brand booklet and user manual. In the second layer you'll find a horn style portafilter, tamper, milk frothing pitcher, bean hopper, drip tray cover, tamping mat, MAXIM'S tea towel, small brush, two wooden handles, and a coffee distributor. With all these tools at your side, we hope you enjoy exploring the world of espresso, one brew at a time.